Canada through time, understanding the past, simple tense, in English. We use the past simple tense to talk about actions or events that happened in the past and are now completed. To help you understand this tense better, let's take a look at Canada through time and use many examples to illustrate the past simple tense. 1. In 1867, Canada became a country, became past simple of become. 2. Sir John A. Macdonald was the first Prime Minister of Canada, was past simple of be. 3. The Klondike Gold Rush occurred in the late 1800s, occurred past simple of occur. Canada joined the United Nations in 1945, joined past simple of join. 5. The first Canadian astronaut went to space in 1984, went past simple of go. Terry Fox ran across Canada to raise money for cancer research in 1980, ran past simple of run. 7. The Quebec referendum took place in 1995, took past simple of take. 8. The Winter Olympics were held in Vancouver in 2010, were held past simple of hold. The Canadian dollar reached parity with the US dollar in 2007, reached past simple of reach. 10. The government apologized to Indigenous peoples for residential schools in 2008, apologized past simple of apologize, by using past simple verbs such as became, was, occurred, joined, went, ran, took, were held, reached, and apologized in these sentences. We can see how the past simple tense is used to talk about events that happened in the past. Understanding the past simple tense is essential for communicating about historical events, personal experiences, and past actions. As you continue to practice using the past simple tense, you will become more confident in expressing yourself in English and sharing stories about Canada and other topics. Keep practicing, and soon you will master the past simple tense effortlessly.